Be honest, how do you feel when a drone hovers over you all night? What's the main feeling you experience? Do you sense rescue coming or dread as death approaches? If your loved one's safety is all that matters, how can you help those enduring this 24/7? Save Palestine, it's urgent.